I go in Washington now, and then from Washington to Miami, and then from Miami St. Kitts. It's a lot. What it do, what it do, what it do? Welcome back to another video, yo. So I'll be home recording stuff. I'll be on the road for New Year's Day, and I'll be on the road for Juve morning. So you guys still have to see who it is I'm gonna be playing with. Don't forget, before we get any further, to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So you guys, think his name is Carnival Edition 2019-2020 coming up on that gay AB channel. Boom. This year gonna be these vlogs gonna be epic because Carnival, and I'm happy that I'm gonna be sharing my experience with everybody. Well, all you guys who following and all you guys who watching and don't like to subscribe. But yeah, happy I'm gonna be sharing my experience with all of you, So yeah, we're on Gauching, walking in my time with a go to the pipe.
Young money, I'm in the UK.
But
Taiwan ain't cold though?
It's cold, but it ain't like this. This year, you talk and everything coming out. The state they wasted time, and then now it's just like, oh, we're gonna hold back boarding because of maintenance.
I knew it. The same thing happened to me in July. The same exact thing.
It's always Miami. Always Miami. When I'm here in Miami now, this is the last leg of my flight. You know, I've been flying since yesterday. Here with YouTube, you know, sensation influencer Simmer, who got the keys to Bombima. Yeah, so just met up here at the airport. So you know, we both going home. It's Carnival thing, you know, straight, pure voice, pure fun. Carnival can't done. So you know, but yeah.
Hopefully we get there tonight.
Oh, before you know.
No, let's not even talk about that.
No, because
let's not put that into the universe. We gotta think positively.
Okay, thinking positive. We're gonna get home tonight.
Positive vibes only.
Thanks. See you guys in a bit. Peace. Oh, follow her on Instagram. I'm gonna put link her stuff down. Simsima Eats the World. I'm gonna link her stuff in the description box below. I will see you guys in a bit. Well, I can't say when, but see you guys. So I'm walking, headed up now to immigration. Yes, I.
You come, stand right there, sir. Stand right there, sir. Okay, you know that, right? Good surprise to you? Yeah. Good surprise
Yes.
Walk straight in, I'll bring your bag in for you.
Okay. So here now, the private lounge. Alright, so yeah, thanks. So here at the private lounge now, if you guys see, yes. Okay, this is my birthday surprise. Now I know why she was telling me when I reach out and give me a surprise. This catch me. Thank you. I appreciate it.
I have a light snack for you. Fried chicken, herb rice, and bread pudding.
Thank you very much. I am home. Happy for that. Happy. tomorrow again up with my family. Me and go up there tonight because most likely they're gonna be sleeping or whatever, so me want to wake them up because they're not here again. Nobody not reach, so that's the thing. But anyway, from tomorrow they're gonna see me. Yeah, no guys, surprise for it though. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you guys like the video, comment down below. Let me know your favorite part. Thanks for watching. That guy AB. See you guys. This carnival season gonna be crazy. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. Like and subscribe to the channel. Let's reach 1,000, man. Let's reach 1,000 subscribers. Boom. See you guys later. See you guys. I don't know, I'll just vlog throughout. I'll just vlog throughout the rest of the night. Anyway, see you guys, okay? Bye.